last episode, nakilala natin si Jessica Agra, ang Asia's top-ranked paddle player. Pero ngayon, sasabak sa hamon ng guilty or not guilty si attorney.
What's her duty off the court? Alamin natin yan dito lang sa Profiles.
Every time I step into the court and even before that, nire-remind ko sarili ko na laro lang yan, anything can happen. But that I always give my best and then no matter what happens, masaya ako basta I give it my all. So I enjoy na lahat ng ginagawa ko medyo related to each other. So I'm enjoying everything din.
Pero ito nga, speaking of pagiging lawyer, ayan, meron kami ditong challenge na guilty or not guilty, bagay na bagay sa'yo. Okay lang ba? Ayan,
Sure,
are
of
you
course.
ready?
Yes.
Ayan. Okay, guilty or not guilty? Mas competitive bilang atleta kaysa sa abogado?
Atleta. Hindi ata ako competitive nung nasa law school. Pag-atleta. for
Atleta
sure.
talaga.
Atleta.
So, okay. Lalo na ngayon,
Guilty, sorry.
Guilty.
Guilty.
Kasi mas focus ka ngayon sa pagiging
Atleta.
athlete.
Yes.
Okay. Pero pinapractice mo pa rin yung ano mo ngayon?
Yes. Actually, clients ko mostly athletes din ngayon.
Oh!
And well, production companies also for entertainment kasi tinake ko. But I think in terms of yung question, competitive, sa atleta talaga lumalabas. I think nung law school parang mas basta nakafocus lang sa ginagawa pero competitive lumalabas talaga pag nagta-tournament.
Okay. Okay, next. Guilty or not guilty? May pre-game rituals na ginagawa.
Guilty, pero paiba-iba din. Depende. Actually, tinatry ko yung pre-game ritual ko sa paddle. Ina-incorporate ko na din sa pickleball kasi more preventive ng injuries like yung warm-up, stretching. Pero in terms of yung mga pamahiin, wala naman. Just really stretching and warming up bago maglaro.
Okay. Guilty or not guilty? Malakas kumain.
Guilty.
Guilty. Parang
Lalo
lahat tayo guilty.
Lalo na ngayon na nagsisports ulit after playing, talagang kailangan ma-replenish yung energy. So, yes,
Ano ba yung
guilty.
favorite food mo?
Anything with rice.
Oh, anything with rice. Okay.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Mas priority ang training kaysa dating.
Oh.
Not guilty.
Not guilty.
I try to balance pa rin. I've been with my partner din for 3 years na.
Wow.
And naglalaro din siya ng paddle, pickle. So, lagi din
Nice.
kaming magkasama. So, balance.
So,
Not
balance
guilty,
na
not
balance.
guilty.
Ang ganda na, no? Parang kayo nasa sports and doon na
And
rin kayo
entertainment
nagde-date.
din.
Oo,
Yes.
kasi date na yung paglalaro ng paddle. Okay, next. Guilty or not guilty? Nag-stalk ng profile ng kalaban.
Guilty.
Guilty.
Lagi ko ginagawa yan.
Oh.
Lalo ngayon sa pickleball na bago ako and hindi ko pa kilala masyado mga tao. Lagi akong nagsistalk ng profiles to see paano sila maglaro.
Oh, it's good naman na
Ba't ginagawa ko talaga siya?
Ano yung strength and weaknesses
Yes.
nila yan. Nakakatulong naman siya. No,
Yes.
para.
Sobra.
Okay, next. Guilty or not guilty? Sinerch ang sariling pangalan sa Google.
At some point, yes. I have.
Ilang beses?
I can't remember the last time, but I have. Maybe last year at some point I did.
Meron bang time na parang may nakitang information na hindi yun yung information sa'yo sa Google?
Wala naman ata.
Wala naman ata.
Wala naman ata.
Okay. Guilty or not guilty? Trash talking opponents during a
No.
match.
Not guilty. I think when I play, I'm usually more quiet. Itong sa pickleball, actually, nagugulat ako na mas maingay ako than usual, but not compared to other players. Medyo, I keep it to myself lang din yung focus ko. So, not guilty. And for me, more than performing well, respecting other players and being more respectful, yun yung mas priority ko. So, no to trash talking. No.
Pero nangyayari kaya yun sa ibang mga...
Yes, I think na
Na-observe mo
I
din yung
hear
merong mga ganong trash
sa
talking.
paddle, hindi naman, but I hear sa pickleball, nangyayari siya. Hindi ko pa naman na-experience and hopefully hindi ko ma-experience, but personally, very against it.
Against
Yes,
it.
against it.
Guilty or not guilty, giving legal advice to friends for free.
Yes, I think for every lawyer, I mean, it happens na syempre may family or friends na magtatanong. So yes,
Ano yung mga
guilty.
advice na binibigay?
Iba-iba.
Parang isang naging kaibigan ni Jessica Agner at gawin
Iba-iba.
free legal advice.
I think since alam nila na mas contracts na handle ko, usually contractual matters or even very random. Iba-iba din yung natatanong sa akin minsan. Minsan may very personal din yung iba. So, random din talaga siya.
Random.
Pero nangyayari. Even from people na I'm not close to, minsan, mapapatanong din
Grabe.
sila.
So hanggang kailan yung free legal advice? Unlimited. Hindi naman. Okay, meron tayong final verdict. Final verdict. Kung may isang kaso sa buhay mo na ayaw mong matalo ka, career, love life, family, o sarili mo at bakit?
For me, love life and family, iisa na yun. But more than career, syempre, the people I love matter most. So, yun ang pinaka-importante sa akin and I prioritize that. Kaya din hindi ako open mag-move to another country to pursue paddle kasi I enjoy... I mean, okay sa akin nagtatravel but I want to be home for this stage of my life to spend more time with my loved ones, my partner, and my family. So, walang sport na lalamang sa family. Sa family for sure.
And that's very important. Siyempre. Pero last na, ano yung parang pinaka-last quote na matutuling mo as an athlete?
Athlete.
Quote. Bigyan mo kami ng quote.
Actually, my dad, nung bata ako, lagi niya sinasabi, the good is the enemy of the better. Lagi kasi daddy ko nakafocus sa improvement, progression, never perfection. Isa pa yun actually, progression over perfection. Kasi in everything that I do, I'd want to be improving, whether on and off the court. Even as a person, syempre gusto natin na lagi tayong may natututunan and nagiging mas okay, whether anong ginagawa natin. So for me, to never settle and to keep wanting to improve in whatever I'm doing. So, ayan.
Oh, I love that. Thank you so much, Miss
Thank
Jessica
you.
Agner. Pero last na, promote your social media accounts
Yes.
at mag-follow ng mga fans. And of course, invite them to support your upcoming tournaments. Go ahead.
Yes, sa mga nanonood and sumusuporta sa PTV, hopefully supportahan nyo din lahat ng paddle and pickleball athletes. Yung Instagram ko is jess.agra. And then ngayon, nagsisimula na din ako mag-post sa TikTok. I believe Jess Agra din. I'm not sure exactly the name. But yes, sana supportahan nyo din po ako dito sa pickleball ngayon aside from sa paddle. And thank you so much sa PTV. Thank you din sa inyo.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Grabe, subaybayan natin yung journey sa pickleball. Grabe.
you.
And sa mga upcoming tournament, supportahan natin si Miss Jessica Agra. Thank you so much for your
Thank you so
time.
much.
At dito na
Thank
nga,
you.
teammates, sa tatapos ang ating episode for today. Magkita-kita tayo sa next episode ng Profiles. Ako si Jamaica Bayaga.